Good afternoon guys, at ito magluluto tayo ng adobong pork at ito ang ating ingredient for today. Ayan yung garlic, onion, black pepper, star anise, daon ng laurel, brown sugar, ayan, oyster sauce, soy sauce, dark soy sauce. Ito yung pork natin. So ayan guys, fry natin ang ating pork limpo. Ayan, pork limpo to guys. Dito maglagay tayo ng ating garlic. Yan ang ating garlic guys. Lagay na ang onion. Ayan, nilagay na natin ang ating black pepper, star anise, ayan yung laurel, and the brown sugar. Ayan guys, brown sugar. Ito na natin ang sugar dito. Patunaw lang natin yung brown sugar guys. Lagay natin yung ating mga pampalasa. Ayan. Yung sugar natin. Lagay ng soy sauce. Oyster sauce. And of course, chicken powder. Ayan guys, lagyan na natin ng water para pampalambot. Panan natin. Ayan. So ayan guys, at luto ng ating adobong pork limpo guys. Ayan, thank you so much for watching guys. Yummy yummy ang ating ulam for today.